Hey everyone. So I'm out at a hotel again. So I decided to bring you another microwave, not really recipe, but more of a tip. So you're out, everyone likes having these little cup of noodle deals, but it doesn't have to be just a plain old whatever comes with it. I mean, obviously I'm going to add this to it too because it's delicious. But anyway, feel free to add some other stuff to it. And I'll show you some cool, handy little things you can add to it. Just a few things that'll really up the game on it. But first, you start making these by the regular instructions. Alright, while mine are in the microwave heating up and doing their thing, I got some other things I'm going to add here. I got myself some cheap bowls from the store close by. And normally I'd get myself regular eggs and just crack them open. That's what I did last time at the hotel. But I decided to do something different. I bought this little thing. This one's egg whites in particular. You can do the regular eggs if you want. I'm going to go ahead and pour some of this, as much as I want, into this. I already shook it up prior to starting this here. I'm going to pour that in there, and once my noodles are done, and I'm going to let them, pull my noodles out, let them sit, I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there for about a minute. I'm going to get myself a nice yummy egg. Meanwhile, I already cut up some, I used a butter knife, so they're not pretty, but I cut up some green onions here. I got myself some good old lunch meat, and I'll show you what happens here once these are done, so hang tight. Okay, so this is extremely hot. Should probably leave it sit for a little bit, but I wanted to get the eggs in there. I had the eggs in there going for about a minute. Go ahead and stir this up. Now these big ones come with extra flavoring packets. I'm going to go ahead and throw in here. If you have your own flavoring you want to add in, like say you want to throw some, there's already some broth flavoring in there, like the regular package you'd get. If you just want to leave it like that, or if you want to throw in some sriracha to make it spicy, or if you want to throw in soy sauce, get some soy sauce flavor there instead, go for it. This one is just a regular beef flavored. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Trying to make a mess. Alright, so right now it's just the plain noodles. It has those little dried vegetables in it. I want to wait until, wait until the eggs are done for this next part. Oh, there they are. So this thing they're using is egg beater things. It's literally just eggs that they already cracked open and put into a carton. They come out really nice. This is all egg white. Try to make this look pretty here. So now that I got this out, I'm going to go ahead, try not to make a mess. I'm going to go ahead and put this egg, into my soup. And I made a mess. So I made a mess and it kind of splattered everywhere, but anyway, I'll have to bring the camera over in a second. Right here. See, it's kind of messy because the egg fell apart. I was trying to make it prettier, but whatever. And I got my green onions. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that on top a little bit on this one side with the egg. And if you want to, you don't have to. This is all up to you. You can spruce this up however you want. If you want to leave it like that, go for it. But me, I like to have a little more substance in here. So I got some turkey. I know ham is really good with ramen noodles. But I got turkey this time, which just tastes amazing like this. Adjust my lighting here so you can see this better. Of course, I'm in the way of light. There you go. You got a nice, yummy looking bowl. It's not expensive to buy the stuff I got for this, or you can even, if you have the vegetables at home to grow. If you have eggs, just bring them with you. You can always put them in a cooler and make them in later. So it's not expensive. Just a way to spruce up your ramen noodles, take them to the next level. Now I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. I hope you like this little tip. I guess you can say it's not technically a recipe, but I hope you like this little tip, and I hope you try it sometime and let me know what it's like. Feel free to go ahead and down below and put in the comments whether you like this idea or not, or if you've tried something similar, which I'm sure a lot of people have. Let me know what you tried, and I'll definitely try that sometime for myself next time I'm out in the hotel or something. But while you're down there, please hit the subscribe button and make a little comment, hit the little like button, and a little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I try to post every week. Next week I'll be back home, so next week it'll be a regular video. Also, thank you all for the wonderful response to my ASMR video. It was fantastic. I'm definitely going to do that again sometime. I enjoyed making it. It was an absolute blast making it. So I'm definitely going to do that again sometime. I'll probably do it more often now because I definitely got a very good response from it. So thank you all very much, and I'll see you next time.